Howdy guys, my name is Will Blakely. During the COVID-19 crisis, it's important to stay home and stay safe. But cooking with what foods you have at home can be really difficult. So I'm here to try and show you a way we can reimagine an American favorite, the hamburger, with a few staples that you might have at home. Come on. First of all, you'll need these ingredients.
Next, mix the cup of oats, the ketchup, and the mustard into a large bowl. Onto the spices. I added salt, pepper, and paprika. I like adding paprika for the coloring and taste. After that, add your can of black beans. Make sure to rinse them first. I made these for this video from scratch. Then, mash everything together until you get a ground meat consistency. I like making my patties out of fist-sized balls. You want the thickness of the patty to be consistent, so it's easier to cook. Perfect. Time to bake the patties in the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then I took them out, flipped them, and put them back in for another 5 minutes. They're done! Assemble your hamburger sandwich with your favorite toppings and enjoy!
Well, thanks for cooking with me, guys. And remember, stay in, stay safe, with love. Bye.